If you have a space at home where you leave a mess behind, you don't have to become a clean person to keep it clean. In other words, don't change your habit, change your habitat. I'm here with Nina in her Greenwich Village apartment. I'm gonna help her organize a messy corner of her bedroom.
Let's do it.
So I noticed your apartment's pretty neat, but you've got this space in the corner of the bedroom where there's kind of a mess. What's going on here?
Yeah, this is kind of my catch-all space, so anything that doesn't have a home or I just don't know where that home is yet, I throw it here.
Yeah, most people have a catch-all spot like this, and it's usually somewhere in the bedroom. But what happens is you're not gonna be somebody who isn't gonna make a mess here. You just need to know how to make a mess with intention. So that's what we're gonna do, give you some organizing solutions that make this corner a place you can throw things, but neatly.
Okay, I can do that.
All right, welcome to your new space.
It looks awesome.
It's all of the same stuff, it's just contained a little better. What we did is we took some of your clothes and the shoes that were hanging out down here, just put them into baskets right-sized for the shelves. You can literally pack those shelves full of stuff and it all stays hidden. And then on the upper shelves, we've got all the same knickknacks, a couple of baskets to keep things contained. I actually really love this clutch container. It's a record holder, like for vinyl records, but it's perfect for storing your clutches, stacking them there. You can literally just grab and go, stick them down. And then my favorite part is these two hook racks here. I noticed you were coming in and you were just kind of throwing your clothes around. Everyone does. It's the first thing you want to do when you get home is just get comfortable and you just kind of leave your clothes strewn about the bedroom. This way you can do that, but it looks a little more intentional. You literally just throw them up on these hooks and it looks like it's supposed to be there. It's no longer a mess, now it's a feature. And then last but not least, all of the purses that were hanging out on doorknobs across your apartment, we just got you some magnetic hooks to stick on this locker and you can hang them all up right here.
This is a genius idea. Like, it looks beautiful inside. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.